Hello, my name is my name is Bernard Olayemi Michael. I am from Nigeria, and this is my Module One project. And so I'll be taking us through I, how this project works, and the language I used for this project is Kotlin. The setup wasn't really that difficult, but it was somehow stressful because the language I've never learned about the language before, so I don't know. Let me say I'm still finding my way around the language. So what I did was installing Java 17, version 17. In my previous project, I used it, so it's actually more easier for me because I have installed it already. So the only tool that I installed uh, was Kotlin. This Kotlin compiler. I use Kotlin compiler so that I'll be able to run the main. I'll be able to use this main KT, and I installed two extensions. I install two extension, and that is I installed two extension. Yes, this code runner in order for me to run the code rather than using Gradle to run the code. I installed this code runner and Kotlin language extension. Yeah, by this, I also installed this in order for me to use this format. Now, so after the setup, I confirmed that the code runs, it works, and I'll be showing you how what the code is all about. So this is so just to open. So I have the compiler code. I will have to compile the code before I run it because of the format that I am using. So sorry about that. So this is it. Yes. So when I run this, it's going to compile the code to this major, and from this major, I will run it in order to fetch this main KT so that I can access the code in it. So now I will open this code now. So now looking at this code, I imported java.utility.scan, and this I actually used this based on research. I didn't know what it's used for, but actually from the research of Kotlin and other stores, I learned that for me this actually works with user input. So this actually works with user input. So that's why I installed this so it's more easier for user to input in data. So this data class represents a task. So I created also a place for to store the uh, and the user's information. So now, so we look at it now. If you look at it now, if I click on one, though I will start with two because I had already added a tax. So I want to show you something. I'll start with two list. Oh, I've deleted it. Oh, sorry. Okay, I've deleted it already in the process. So let me start with one again. So now when we start with one, it's going to ask enter tax star two. So and if you look at it here, this is the tax, and this is the format, the number, the integer, the description, the due date, and like that. So now enter the tax and title, And so I'm just gonna put school. So enter the task description. I'm just going to be assignment reminder, and enter the due date. The due date when I want this task, to be completed. So, and I'm just going to write 2025 month, then that's October, I guess. So let us say just 12, October 12. I want it to be done by October 12. So now, if you look at it here, tax added successfully. So now, if I want to view these tags, so I will use the option two. I'll use the option two, which is going to list it here. So now, because of the loop statement in this code, that helps me to keep having the same instructions as long as I don't have the exist. If I click on 6 now, so it's going to tell me goodbye. So it's just a simple Kotlin language that actually helps me to know how to use language. And from my research, I learned that language is also like Java. It's just the advanced language, just the advanced language of Java, Kotlin. So I will continue to learn more about this language, and I love this language because it's more easier, and it's just like probably they are all the same when I worked with C sharp also. So that's about this project. Thank you.